Credit Sesame Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Credit Sesame Credit Score Tool. Links to this product are provided in the description below, so feel free to explore them for more details. In this video, I'll break down its features, discuss who it's designed for, and share insights into how it performs as a credit monitoring tool. Credit Sesame is a user-friendly platform offering free credit monitoring and financial insights. It provides access to your TransUnion credit score, updated monthly, and includes a detailed credit report card. This report card breaks down essential factors affecting your credit, such as payment history, credit utilization, and account inquiries, making it easy to identify areas where you can improve. One of Credit Sesame's standout features is its free identity theft insurance of up to $50,000, even for non-paying users. This makes it a great choice for those concerned about safeguarding their credit and personal information. For more robust protection, Credit Sesame offers premium plans that include daily credit score updates, monitoring for all 3 credit bureaus, and enhanced identity theft protection. The platform also provides personalized recommendations tailored to your financial profile. Whether you're looking to apply for a new credit card, consolidate debt, or refinance a loan, Credit Sesame suggests options that align with your credit standing and goals. Additionally, it offers tools like the Credit Score Simulator, which allows you to see how different actions like paying off debt or opening new accounts might affect your credit score. Credit Sesame is perfect for individuals who want a straightforward way to monitor their credit while also receiving actionable advice. Whether you're just starting your credit journey or looking for a tool to help you achieve specific financial goals, its simplicity and added features make it a strong contender in the credit monitoring space. In conclusion, the Credit Sesame Credit Score Tool is an excellent solution for managing and improving your credit. With its free credit score access, identity theft insurance, and personalized recommendations, it's a practical and effective tool for staying on top of your financial health. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details.